What is this? Tell us, goddammit!
Is it dangerous?
It's a chair.
Is this supposed to be a chair? Do I look stupid?
It's too light to be a chair.
This is a chair. We've found your secrets.
You mean my bag?
You're not being straight with us. Look at all these mechanical parts. They do not belong in a chair. Kevlar strap. Ballistic nylon seat.
The core is made of carbon fiber.
But why? These are special forces materials.
To make the slimmest and lightest portable seat in the world, we had to push the materials and the technology to the limit. Everything down to the smallest screw is made to measure.
Is this anodized aluminum?
Great ice. And it's corrosion free as well. As strong as it gets.
What's next? You're gonna tell me that little thing can hold a grown man?
300 pounds, not a problem.
Just try to unfold it.
Actually really comfortable.
It's designed to strengthen your core and to avoid back problems. You can adjust the height so it matches your specific needs.
So you're telling me these aren't foreign spies using the cylinder to communicate?
Of course not. The Sitpack is simply perfect for multiple everyday normal occasions. Hanging around, golfing, hunting. It just makes life so much easier and more convenient.
It really is something special. I mean, such craftsmanship. Only premium materials.
How can we get it?
You can be the first one to get the Zen if you support our Kickstarter campaign. Every dollar counts.
Mstick connects with your smartphone to control and customize the light through Bluetooth. With only one Mstick, you can make various functions of light in your life. Start your day with Mstick. Shake the Mstick, it starts the timer again from the beginning. You don't have to keep watching your noodles to be done. Each category of the app has its own functional light settings, such as sound visualizer and selfie light. Mstick will help you keep your working out time. By using your app data, Mstick tells you today's weather. Don't forget to bring your umbrella. Mstick has a G sensor, which is combined with accelerometer and gyro sensor. Especially with the sensor, Mstick automatically makes its animations when you ride a bike or run like this. Also, control your Mstick with your smartwatch. Write down the text or emoji or whatever you want into the After Effects app and enjoy the festival in various ways. Mstick is an open hardware. We will open API soon, so you can make your own unique light and share it with your friends. We have spent days and nights to actualize the mobile app controls Smart Light Mstick. To bring Mstick to life, we need your support. Please back us, and we hope to hear about your experience with your light in your life. Make your light. Mstick.